Namaste friends, welcome to Agri Analyze. This video is about analysis of two-factor CRD experiment repeated over years or location. So our experiment has two factors, seed treatment and varieties, and this seed treatment has three treatment levels T1, T2, T3, and the variety has three levels V1, V2, V3, and this experiment has been conducted in a CRD setup and has been repeated for 2 years, year 1 and year 2, and we need to perform two-factor CRD analysis combined over the years. Let's see how to arrange the data. So first we will keep our factor 1, then factor 2, then year, and followed by the dependent variables. The link of this dataset is given in the description box. You can check it out later. Let's jump to the website. So this is the website www.agrianalyze.com. You need to register first and then you can perform your analysis. Now click on this analytical tool. In this, go to design of experiment. It has lot of options available. You can explore later on. We want to perform CRD analysis basically. So in CRD analysis we have two-factor pooled CRD analysis. So now the data must be arranged in a CSV format or a CSV file. We will select the file that I have shown to you. So click on this choose file option, select the file. Now we need to select our first factor. So I am keeping seed treatment as our first factor. Second factor I am keeping varieties. Then third factor I have taken as a year. It gives us three options for multiple comparison test, that is for comparing the means. I am selecting least significant difference test. The other two options are Duncan's new multiple range test and Tuckey's HSG test. You can choose as per your research statement. Click on this submit. Meanwhile, if you get stuck somewhere and need help, then click on this need help option, and this will connect your WhatsApp with us and you can ask us questions. Click on the submit button. Once we click on the submit button, it gives us this summary. So factor 1 has 3 levels, factor 2 has 3 levels, location has 2 years, and total observations are 15, and I have two variables. Now click on the submit button. Once I click on the submit button, click on this download and give it appropriate name. Let's see what the output file have. So first it gives us the ANOVA for the individual year. So two-factor CRD design ANOVA for the year 1, and there it has three hypotheses, that is for factor 1, factor 2, and interaction of factor 1 and factor 2. We get ANOVA table. Then we have other statistics like SEM, SED, and LSD value and CV value. Then we have interpretation of all these ANOVA results. We have chosen least significant difference test. So least significant difference test is applied. Then same analysis is shown for year 2, that is for individual year. After that, in combined ANOVA, we need to check the homogeneity of variance of the error. This is checked here with F test. If the number of years are more than 2, then this test F test is replaced by Bartlett's test for checking homogeneity of variance. So here it is giving us the null hypothesis of the F test and giving us the F statistic and p value, and we can see that the results are homogeneous, it also gives us the interpretation. So results are homogeneous, that's a green signal. Let's go to the combined ANOVA. So here comes combined ANOVA for CRD, two factor for trait yield. So there we have null hypothesis, respective null hypothesis. We have this combined ANOVA along with this results and t value. Then we have other statistics, interpretation of ANOVA. And then we have LSD test for each and every component of the pooled ANOVA. This output file is also, I'm adding it in the description box. You can check at your convenience. Once this analysis is done, again the same analysis got repeated for the different trait, that is plant height. Now same analysis will get repeated for plant height, that is for year 1, year 2, then F test for checking homogeneity of variance, and then pooled or combined ANOVA for plant height for both the years. If we have 3 years, 4 years, no need to worry, it will perform analysis of all the respective years. I hope you find this website and tutorial useful. If you have any type of questions, feel free to reach out to us. The WhatsApp number is also given in the description box. Thank you for watching this video.